Good morning, Jonathan. Here we are at Natural Transplants, and Jonathan is here today to go ahead and have a Hue regular procedure done. Jonathan, how did you find out about Natural Transplants?
Mostly through YouTube. I watched like a bunch of videos on YouTube.
And how are you feeling this morning?
Good, very good.
And
nice here.
And Jonathan flew in for the procedure, so he stayed at a local hotel. And any questions or concerns before we actually start the drawing out process? As you see, he just sat down in the chair. We took some pictures, and now we'll proceed with drawing out the hairline, and we'll show you step by step. So Jonathan, you're in for a good hair spa day, and we hope you have a relaxing day, and we'll keep on making follow-up videos and pictures as the day progresses. So here we are, we just got done with drawing out the hairline, and pretty simple. Did a great job. Didn't get ultra aggressive, was a little bit more conservative, but our plan is to hit the frontal and then potentially go into the vertex. He did agree to shave, which prevents any hairs from getting, any grafts from getting lodged or crusted on and potentially falling out. And our donor site is a great donor site. I expect a lot of hair. And not too painful was the drawing out process, would you agree?
Yeah, definitely.
So this is where we go into the procedure room and get changed into a gown, and you'll do fine. And we'll keep on checking on with you. So here we are with Jonathan, and we just completed the incision site. We closed everything up, and the staff is behind cutting the hair strip into individual and multiple hair follicles. And we've gone ahead and used some tumescent to expand the scalp a little bit so that we can make our graft sites. How are you doing, Jonathan?
Pretty good.
How was the first part of the procedure?
The lidocaine?
The lidocaine and the suturing and the removal of the strip.
It went pretty smoothly, yeah.
And pretty much you were just watching some TV and relaxing, and halfway done. So we'll keep you up with the keep you informed with the progress, and see you in a few. Here we are, and we just went ahead and completed the incision sites, and we're getting ready to put the grafts in. Jonathan did take a 20-minute break for a lunch, as we all did. And how are you doing?
Doing pretty good. Ready to get the next part of this going.
And we expect another hour and a half to place the grafts. And so far it's been an amazing day. I'm going to show them exactly what we went ahead and did. And okay. Here we are with Jonathan, and we just completed our procedure for the day. And Jonathan, how was your day?
It went really well. It was pretty quick, actually.
And pretty much he needed a whole entire new frontal lines, which we drew out as you saw in the beginning. And then we started in the front with small individual and 1 and 2 hair follicles, and then worked our way back with multiple hair follicles. And just packing in the entire frontal area, going into the vertex, and just got a great result. He'll really get a full amount of packed hair in there, which is what he came in for, and he'll have incredible results in both 4 months and in a year from now. Anything you'd like to tell our people who are watching Natural Transplants?
You know, I've been looking into this for like 2 years, a little bit more than that. If you are wanting to get it done, you know, at least call them for a consultation. It's worth it. It's worth the time, and it was worth the travel from California.
Well, Jonathan, it's been a pleasure. It's been a great day. Watched a lot of comedy, and I tried being a comedian there for a little bit. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.